In this video, I will provide you with a method you can use to position the bottom framing plates, the framing plates that will attach the stair stringers to, and then you will attach these to the concrete foundation. And it's not going to be that difficult to locate them, but you are going to need to cut the stringers first. I always recommend this. And since this is a method that I use, then you're going to need to cut the stair stringers first, unless you can mathematically figure out where everything's going to be located and the amount of time that might take, and you still might end up making a mistake, just doesn't make it worth it. So the first thing we're going to do will be to snap a line or use a straight edge to draw a straight line on the concrete or wood foundation. Now, the next thing you're going to need to do will be to plumb down to make sure that the wood framing hasn't created any problems or set something back or push something forward, in other words, to make sure that your line is going to be located in a good spot. So again, not too difficult. You're going to move it over to the other side, and you'll be able to adjust the mark on the bottom if there's a problem by moving it either forward or backwards, or adjust the top of your stair stringers if something is a little out of whack. Then you're going to grab a framing square and locate it at either end. And of course, you're going to be lining this side up here with the line so that we can find the other end, or at least one side of our bottom plates. So not too difficult. We're going to simply grab a straight edge and extend the line or snap a line using a chalk box with a string in it. And then we're going to throw our framing plates down. They are not going to be attached to the foundation yet. However, if you are using anchor bolts that were poured in place, then this would still provide you with a way to locate them a little better. Or at the very least, make sure that they're not sticking out past the front of the stair step. And you can go ahead and nail the top of the stringer to the framing, unless you need to remove and replace the stringers later for some reason. For example, if you have anchor bolts, that might be a problem. And then we will move our bottom plates into position. And the back of this does not need to line up with this. You can move it forward if you need to. And the same with the front. You can move this back a little bit. And then we will go ahead and attach the rest of our stair stringers into place. And then you can use a variety of different connectors. You can use pins. And I've driven these in with a hammer before, but they do have powder actuated pneumatic fasteners. I believe that's the correct way to pronounce it. Or you can use framing anchors or epoxy or other fasteners that usually require a hammer drill to drill a hole into the concrete. And if you're using epoxy, then you're going to also need a few more tools for that. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.